Hey all, Chris Bassett here, and I'm going to tell you how to properly align and adjust your headlight for your Sportster. Let's get into it. I'm going to be reading out of the Climber Harley Davidson repair manual. It's good for Sportsters from 1986 to 2003. So for the headlight adjustment, you want to park the motorcycle on a level surface approximately 25 foot from a wall. Make sure the tires are inflated to the correct pressure when performing this adjustment. Typically, your front tire is like 30 psi and your rear tire is 36 psi. It'll depend on the weight of the person or cargo that's on the bike as well. Have an assistant of the same approximate weight as the primary rider sit on the seat, and then you draw a horizontal line on a wall that is 35 inches above the floor. Aim the headlight at the wall and turn on the headlight. Switch the headlight to high beam. Check the headlight beam alignment. The broad, flat pattern of light, the main beam, should be centered on the horizontal line, equal area of light above and below the line. Check the headlight beam lateral alignment. With the headlight beam pointed straight ahead, there should be an equal area to the left and to the right. On all models except the 883C and 1200C models, the beam is not aligned. Adjust it by the following. Remove the plug on top of the bracket. Loosen the headlight mounting nut. Then you can tilt or rotate the headlight assembly to adjust the beam position. Then you want to tighten that nut back down to 120 to 240 inch-pounds, and then reinstall the plug. Here's the headlight configuration of the 883C and 1200C model. It's slightly different from all the other versions. And then here's the headlight for every other model except those two. Feel free to pause the video, that way you can check out the exploded view of the parts list and the configuration of the headlights. Hey, check out this other video right here. There's a link in the description for the parts, so check that out. If you have any questions, put it down in the comments. If this was helpful, hit the like button. Thanks.